What's up everyone, it's your boy CJ and today I've got this product for you, the Apple Pencil first generation. I've been using this for 4 days now, and before that I had been using this cheap alternative for a couple of months now that I had got online. Okay, so getting into the unboxing, we've got a very nice decent packaging over here. Very nice and solid, very nice labels, DHL, so it was pretty fast delivery I must say. And okay, let's get inside the box. Inside we're presented with the Apple Pencil itself in its box, with another box as you can see. I'm going to put this aside. It's another box where I believe the Apple Pencil. Okay, nice, well and protected by this. Very nice packaging, Apple. Okay, right here we're presented now with Apple Pencil packaging itself. Very nice and solid also. Apple packagings are very nice and solid, very satisfying actually. I don't think anyone ever throws away these boxes. Okay, so going inside, we've got the Apple Pencil itself inside. We'll put this aside for now. Going inside, the usual books, the menus and all of this, more menus. But another interesting thing is this: we've got an extra tip and a charging dongle over here. Okay, so getting to the Apple Pencil itself, the build quality is very strong. It feels very firm in the hand already, very firm. We've got the Apple Pencil labeling on top right there, and for charging, like I said, I'll get to it. The ways you can charge this is either by taking this cap off and plugging it into the iPad. I'll demonstrate that to you later on in the video. But the cap also is, it fits quite firm on top. Very satisfying, snap when it closes. Let me just try play that for you closer. As you can hear, very satisfying. I know I actually got carried away. So getting into the functionality of the pencil itself, I'll grab my iPad. Once you've paired it and charged it up, you're pretty much ready to go. Just open your preferred notes app, and go ahead and write on. The feel of the pencil itself is very nice, very precise. You don't feel any lag, and I guess that's why they call it, say it's pixel perfect precision. It really feels nice. I've got a matte screen protector on here. It really gives a pencil paper type of feel. It's not paper like, it's a cheap alternative. If you'd like to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description. But going on to more features that made me actually want to get the Apple Pencil itself is the tilt and pressure sensitivity that it has. So the best really to test this out is the highlighter itself. So when you tilt the pencil, you've got a more wider writing. When you're holding it from on top, you get a more thinner lining. This feature is actually very perfect for artists, people that draw and just like to really have fun around. Another feature apart from the tilt, is, like I said, is the pressure. So the pressure also works quite well. This is the Crayon 2. So as you can see, if I apply less pressure, it's faint. As you can see, I'm applying less pressure right now. But if I decide to add more pressure, as you can see, it gets darker. Less pressure, more pressure. So like I said, this is really a feature for people that are into drawing and artistry. Another cool thing really what makes the Apple Pencil a tool for the iPad is iOS 14. So iOS 14 has really updated, has made the whole iPad experience more interesting. So now you've got the shapes tool, the shapes recognition tool. So just draw the shape and hold, and the shape is formed. Once you draw, just hold it and you've got a nice beautiful shape. This is very nice when you're taking notes and all that. My preferred note taking app really is GoodNotes, and this is the app that I actually use for most of my school studies. So I really use it to just jot around notes. These notes were taken before I actually got iOS 14, but I believe now as I go on with my learning, the experience is going to be more interesting. Okay, so aside from the shape recognition tool that's been introduced with iOS 14, iOS 14 also introduces Scribble. So Scribble allows you to write in any text area and it automatically converts it into a text. So you can, just write anything and it converts it to text. So this helps in writing. It also allows you to delete text. As you can see, there's actually a whole demonstration that it shows you, and you just go along and try it along. Other than this, you've got the selecting, inserting and joining. So that's really one of the cool features that comes with iOS 14 and makes the Apple Pencil the ideal tool to have with the iPad. So getting to the price tag, getting to the price on this, the price tag is 419 ringgit here in Malaysia. In dollars, it should be about $100. Apple does offer some special discounts, especially for students. So you can get this at 379 ringgit, which is about $90. So you get like $10 off this. Okay, so that's pretty much it about the Apple Pencil first generation. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.